Hey there, fourth graders. Today is Friday, January 8th. It's the last day of school this week, and I hope that you are excited for the weekend. First thing that you need to be doing, besides reading for 20 minutes, is doing your Friday word study. We've done these almost every week. Cut on the dotted line and write them on your, write them down. I'm going to read the words once right now. If you don't want to listen, just skip forward. Number 1, faster. Number 2, newer. Number 3, bigger. Number 4, darker. Number 5, hotter. Number 6, wildest. Number 7, darkest. And number 8, maddest. So look, a lot of those end with those ER and ESTs. So finish that, and then we are going to go on to the graphic source activity. Okay? I'm trying to see that you can see it a little bit better. Now here's it's like an article. Graphic sources help reader navigate the text. They give more information about the text. Examples include like illustrations, photographs, captions, maps, charts, graphs, headings, table of contents, sidebars. So on the back here, we have some tasks that we're going to need to do. So we need to draw a star, underline, and all that. I'm going to read this and then we're going to do those, okay? So it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Have you ever heard that song? It's a famous tune about the weather. Weather is something that affects all of us daily. Extreme weather is something that affects most people only a few times in their lives. Extreme weather includes flooding rains, tornadoes, blizzards, and hurricanes. Some people study weather so they can inform us. These are the people who give us the information we need so that we can remain safe in the case of extreme weather. Tornadoes. A tornado is a storm that can cause destruction in its path. Winds can reach up to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes form from thunderstorms. They are most common in an area of the United States called Tornado Alley. It's right here on this nice little map they have for us. This area is where many tornadoes form because the way the air moves. Cool, dry air from the north and warm, moist air from the south meet. This causes thunderstorms, which can become severe. When the atmosphere is not stable, the winds can increase and produce a tornado. Waterspouts. A waterspout is a weak tornado. It forms over water. It can happen on the ocean. It can happen on smaller bodies of water, such as lakes. Waterspouts are most common in the Gulf of Mexico. They have occurred in the tropics as well. Waterspouts can pick up things such as animals or tree limbs and drop them in other places. If a waterspout moves onto land, it becomes a tornado and can cause damage. Wild weather comes in many forms. Tornadoes and waterspouts are directly related and look alike. Both weather events require attention because they can be dangerous to humans and animals. Wild weather is fascinating and it is completely unpredictable sometimes. So usually a tornado is in the form of a funnel shape. Sometimes it looks like a rope. A picture. Okay. Number 1, draw a star next to the title. So where is the title of our story? Right up here. Wild, wild weather. So draw a star next to it. Number 2. Underline the 2 headings. These are bolded above paragraphs. Do you see our 2 bolded words above paragraphs? Underline them. Tornadoes and waterspouts. I'm trying to get it so you can see it. There. Ooh, whoa. Number 3, color the map yellow. So, get something yellow, color our map yellow. It doesn't need to be perfect, okay? See, mine's not anywhere near being perfect, but I colored it yellow. 4, outline the photograph in blue. So where's the photograph? Right here. So I'm going to go with blue and just go outline it in yellow. Blue. Oh my gosh, if I could think today. There we go. Outlined it in blue. Circle the caption. I'm going to use a different color for this because I kind of went over it in a little bit of blue. My caption is what is underneath the picture. So I'm going to circle my caption. Right there. I circled it. And then outline the illustration in red. Well, our last one, our illustration. So I'm going to outline that in red. Doesn't need to be perfect. Mine's clearly so far from perfect, it's not funny. But you can see it, it's in red. And last question, which graphic source do you find the most helpful in this text? Why? So did you think it was the title, the headings, the photograph, the caption, the map? Which one did you find the most helpful? You need to write it here. I can't answer that for you because that's your opinion. Once you are done with this, you do have a writing activity today. Picture yourself doing a chore that you'd rather not do, or having fun with a friend. Jot down some sensory words you can describe used in each category. So, I don't like cleaning the bathroom. Never have. So I could see, I can hear the toilet flush. I'm just going to give you one example for each of these. Taste, no, not tasting anything in the bathroom. You don't need to use all of them. Touch, the soapy water. Smell, I smell, let's go bleach. Because you gotta clean, cleaning spray, whatever. And I can say, I see dirt. I don't know, my bathroom's not that dirty, but just describing, okay? So I wrote down, you can do more and do whatever you want. And then look back at mud fights and cleaning the garage. Notice the authors use sensory words without saying, I touched the soft circles of sand. I tasted that I see. The author snuck the sensory language in. So you need to write a paragraph. I'm okay if you don't do 6. We can bump it down to 5. About a chore or a fun time. Sneak in at least 3 of the sensory words listed below. So I could start with like, I got stuck cleaning the bathroom. Instead of saying I see dirt, I could say there was dirt covering the floor. I reached in the soapy water for my sponge. Okay, so you can see I'm not saying I touched the soapy water. I can reach in the soapy water, and you know what that feels like when you reach in something. So you're not saying I smell bleach, I touch this, I hear the toilet flush, I see dirt. I'm sneaking those words in. Okay, and you need to write 5 sentences describing your fun activity or the chore you do not like to do. I hope that makes sense. If you're needing help, let me know. I know this can be a little tricky, and I can certainly help you with this. Keep up the great work, and have a marvelous weekend. Bye.